Hi there, it's Clint with Clint's Classic World. Talking to you today again about the restoration that's in progress on this 1971 Dodge Challenger RT 440 6-pack. We are working on the fenders. We're going to also be working on the cowl because the fenders are removed there, kind of behind the fenders. There's some work to be done. There was some damage, some rust damage. So let's get started on that. Check out this video. You'll see some of the work done on the fenders and on the cowl. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will keep bringing you videos on restoration and more information on these classic cars. Let's get started. Well, here's one of the fenders. After all the work had been completed that we were showing in this video, you can see right here, you can see where some of the work was done, and this has been resealed off. The bracing has been reinstalled. The bracing which we saw that had been all repaired. This is an original fender, so it's best, if at all possible, to use the original fenders on your vehicle. So subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.